Okay, things are a bit more straightened up in here, and Tor is addicted to the PBS Kids app, which I'm probably going to have to take away from him in a minute. He's not going to like that. I did the dishes, cleaned the counter in here. The table I still have to put away his tray and a few other things. And right now my biggest project that I'm working on is Tor's room. And if you've seen the videos, I don't know, I usually try to kind of hide it, but there was a big pile of clothes right here, and now there's just Tor's chair and his baby doll, his baby sister doll, all dressed up that we play with and play baby sister with. So that part area has been cleaned, and then I just today cleaned his crib, which is sidecard, because I want him to start getting used to sleeping in that bed on that space, since he's going to hopefully sleep there, and I'll sleep with his sister. I'll probably take his dresser over here and put, you know, something else. But there's still a pile of clothes here that needs to be dealt with. This is a separate pile. Believe it or not, the other stuff was put away, and this is just its own thing. But I've got to deal with it, and I've got to figure out organizing this closet, and the little pile on top of his thing is his little pile. So I still have some work to do, but it's getting there. There's Brocco. And yeah, I think we're going to get ready to maybe go on our walk. Tor, do you want to go on a walk? No, you're watching Cat in the Hat. Alright, I'll spare you guys the tears that are going to come with this, but I'm about to take that away from him because he's been watching a little bit more of that than I really normally allow him. Usually I just allow him like a couple TV shows a day, but I'm cleaning and he found it and he's watching it, so he knows how to turn it on himself. Oh boy. Alright.